A balanced breakfast doesn't have to be complicated. Soft, fluffy homemade pancakes, perfectly cooked juicy sausages, creamy rosemary chai, and a refreshing fruit bowl all in under 30 minutes. Let's start with the pancake batter. To a bowl, add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder for light and fluffy pancakes, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar for a little sweetness and for better browning, a dash of cinnamon powder for warmth and flavor, and salt to balance and enhance all the flavors. Mix the dry ingredients until well combined. In a small bowl, crack 1 egg and beat until fluffy and fully broken down. Add 3 tablespoons of melted butter for richness and softness, 1 cup of my homemade yogurt for moisture and a slight tang, 1 cup of fresh milk for a smooth, creamy butter, and finally, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice for extra softness and flavor. Mix until well combined. My yogurt and milk were cold, so the butter is hardening a little, but I don't mind. They will melt when I start cooking. Now add the mixture to the dry ingredients. Fold it in until just mixed. Overmixing will make the pancake dense and chewy instead of soft and fluffy like we want them. I will let the butter sit to allow the flour to hydrate and the baking powder to activate as I start on the rosemary chai. Add as much water as you need to a saucepan. Add in 1 large sprig of fresh rosemary for that earthy aromatic flavor. Let that simmer for 2 to 5 minutes to infuse the water with all the rosemary flavor. Add in 1 teaspoon of loose tea leaves and 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar to sweeten the chai. Mix until the sugar dissolves, then bring it to a boil and simmer for 5 minutes for the tea to steep and deepen the flavor. Now add the fresh milk, depending on how creamy you like your chai. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer as we make the pancakes. The longer it simmers, the more the flavors develop and deepen. Heat the stainless pan until water sizzles on contact. Add in some cooking oil and heat it up a little. That's how you make the pan non-stick. Scoop the pancake batter, then add it to the pan and spread it out evenly. Let that cook until the edges set and bubbles appear on the surface. That's a sign that it's ready to flip. Flip and cook the other side until beautifully golden brown. Set it aside on a plate. Keep cooking until all the butter is done. This recipe makes 4 to 6 large pancakes. I managed to get 6 using this half-cup scoop. They are soft, fluffy, and perfectly golden with a slight tang from the yogurt. The chai is still going and it smells amazing. I'm going to cook the sausages in the same pan, so I'm wiping out the residue bits from the pancakes. Add a layer of oil, just enough to coat the base of the pan. Add the sausages into the pan on medium heat. Cook until nicely browned and slightly crispy on the outside. Keep flipping so that they cook evenly on all the sides. Once fully cooked, transfer to a plate lined with paper towel to absorb any excess oil. The tea is now well cooked and ready to sieve. It is creamy, aromatic, and so comforting. Now let's serve. Place 3 pancakes or as many as you'll eat on a plate. I'm drizzling some raw honey on them for natural sweetness and extra flavor. Now add the 2 sausages for protein and savory balance and the rosemary chai for that warm, cozy touch. To balance this breakfast, I'm making a fruit bowl using some watermelon for freshness and hydration and pineapple for sweetness and brightness. You can use any fruit you like and have at hand. This breakfast is balanced, nourishing and filling. The perfect way to start the day.